Hello, this is an overview video for the Mass Edit module version 1.42. In this version of the module, there was an overhaul with how copy and pasting of placeable data works, as well as a few other minor changes and bug fixes. But alright, so copy and pasting. Previously, the module allowed you to do so using the two separate key bindings, Shift plus C and Shift plus V by default. Shift plus C would open up a copy form for you to select fields in and then paste using Shift plus V. But these two key bindings have now been removed and replaced simply by Control C and Control V. If you open up any mass edit form and select fields within it or change them, you can now press Control C to copy the data and then paste it on hovered over placeables or selected ones. Additionally, this data will now also be available in the system clipboards, meaning that you can now go to any text box and Control V to paste the data in them. So this data is available both in Foundry as well as out of Foundry as well. So you can paste it in Discord, for example, to quickly share light configurations. For example, if I was to right-click all of these different headings under the light, all of the data will get selected. Perhaps you don't want to share the coordinates. If I press Control C and then Control V to paste it in there, I could now share it via Discord or any other means with other users who could then copy this data and dump it into their own lights using this new button over here. So I can paste it in here, apply it, apply changes, and here the light has been replicated exactly. My Patreon supporters should also be able to copy the data from any mass edit form via Control C and then dump it to create new placeables on the canvas. For example, if you wanted to pop a bunch of randomized lights, you could simply randomize the color, select the radius you want, Control C, then simply dump a bunch of random lights. This is also useful if you have a complex light configuration for which you want to randomize the colors, and then dump a bunch of them on the canvas. Alright, so that's it for copy and pasting. Another minor change has been the removal of the display of the selected fields as JSON. That particular button was redundant, as you can access the exact same information by clicking the macro generator and looking within the text box over here. The real estate is very limited at the top of the mass edit form, so that particular button has been removed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this version of the module. And I guess I'll see you next time with a new one. Bye bye.